Our Hiligaynon word for the day is dusak. Dusak. When we say to dusak, that means to endure, hit, wound, bruise, abrade, excoriate, graze, scratch, lacerate, take the skin off with a blunt pointed tool or the like. Dusak. Dusak. Kung magkali ka sing kamote, andaman mo nga hindi madusak. Kung magkali ka sing kamote, andaman mo nga hindi madusak. If you dig sweet potatoes, be careful not to injure them. Kung magkali ka sing kamote, andaman mo nga hindi madusak. Idusak ining tagad sa ulo sang manog. Idusak ining tagad sa ulo sang manog. That means crush the head of the snake with his dibble. Idusak ining tagad sa ulo sang manog. Sino ang nagdusak sining talong? Sino ang nagdusak sining talong? That means who bruised this eggplant? Sino ang nagdusak sining talong? Oo, kalihon mo lang ang mga patatas apang hindi mo pagdusakon. Oo, kalihon mo lang ang mga patatas apang hindi mo pagdusakon. Yes, dig out the potatoes but do not bruise them. Oo, kalihon mo lang ang mga patatas apang hindi mo pagdusakon. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, dusak. Dusak. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.